Hello, and a very warm welcome to you this Friday evening. If you're tuned in, that means you're about to join me for a tour of the garden as we take a look at where things are at as we approach the end of the month of June. So without further ado, let's check it out. Good morning, everyone. And it is a fine morning indeed, sunny and beautiful. After getting a pretty bad hailstorm last night, I had a whole bunch of things tarped off. But this morning, things seem to be making a decent recovery. Fairly minimal damage, considering the intensity of that hail. And I thought I would show you guys kind of where things are at. These sunflowers coming along beautifully, getting nice and tall. A hedge coming in. Over here, these flowers got kind of smushed a little bit. That's alright. I got some delphinium here. Some hops. And prairie clematis. This is morning glory, starting to climb the fence. And these are the hops here, yeah. Over here, some peas and beans starting to climb and do their thing. Potatoes coming up here. These are the Russian blue potatoes. And lots of cucumber and squash and zucchini. Perhaps a few pumpkins over there as well along the fence. So we come this way. Things are looking great. Got all kinds of containers over here. And this cage served me well. Yesterday I threw a tarp over it. Keep things safe. I'm letting some of these bolt. I'm actually thinking this spinach, I'm going to see if I can gather some seed off of it. Might do the same with the kale. We'll have to see. This bed over here getting huge. The potatoes are getting super tall. And I've got all these 5-gallon containers full of taters. Carrots doing their thing. Onions. You can see they took a little bit of damage there. A lot of them kind of cracked under the intensity of that hail. When I just let some ladybugs loose in the garden, so I'm going to be taking a peek, seeing if I can spot any of those. Ginger, see what happens with that. But yeah, these potatoes, man oh man, coming along. They're almost at 2 or 3 feet already. The flowers, looking nice. Happy with these marigolds and the celosia here. Got our herb bed with a few greens, some peppers and tomatoes. Everything's flushing out fairly nicely for the most part. I did a little bit of harvesting in here, and I'm gonna do, I think, a succession plant. Either sow something new or transplant some stuff in there pretty soon. Over here we got some succulents just hanging out, doing their thing. The zucchini and cucumber. It's been somewhat slow progress, but they're coming along. And our tomato and pole beans, champions. I mean, look at these guys. They're almost at the top of this structure here. So these guys are at, upwards of 4 feet already. Over here we got the pumpkin. I'm letting it go to flower now. I didn't know this, but apparently they produce male and female flowers in succession. And that if you get pollinators around, then they'll get pollinated and produce fruit for you. These flowers, I'm impressed actually. They didn't get hit too bad, it doesn't look like. And these beans are doing relatively well, all things considered. Got some more cukes here. I trained these out of this structure a little bit, these peas. And I'm hoping they'll climb this little red scaffold that I attached to the outside. Dill, just harvested some of that. These things are looking like trees pretty well. And then just more containers. That's pretty well where things are at. Just wanted to give a quick update with the craziness of the storm we had last night. Things are doing all right. I had them pretty well protected. Brought the containers under cover. And as you can see, things have come a long way. even in a few short weeks here since the last update. So that's all for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and it's time for me to get to it and do some gardening today. Alright, bye for now. Now somehow I neglected to show this area, which I had really hoped to show, because I'm quite happy with how it's coming along. So I installed this tomato trellis here. Got some tomatoes. These heirloom lentils coming along. You can see I sort of gave them some stakes and a little bit of string to sort of help stabilize them. This kale and arugula I might harvest soon because it's not particularly enjoying the heat over here. That's alright. Lots going on here. Tomatoes, nasturtium coming in, and peppers over here. And then I installed the second trellis coming up this way. So that's it. That's all. Thanks again. And until the next update, happy gardening. Bye for now. Well, hey, thanks for tuning in. If you like what I'm producing, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop me a comment in the comments section. Let me know ways I can improve. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Let me know why you didn't like it. And until next time, be sure to enjoy the process. Alright, bye for now.